This is a test of stabilization. It's on my chest, hanging on my necklace, the Gopro. Random stabilization test. Yeah, I on it by the phone. We're gonna go to the ABC store, get some lunch. Hopefully you guys like this quick one. GoPro stability test or gimbal test, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, maybe I should try to run. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Not even holding it. Today is October 4th. Yeah. And this is Tumon at the moment. GoPro Hero 9. It's about to turn. No, it's probably after that one. I'm not so sure. Yeah. Here we go. I'm gonna try to run across Ed, see how stable it looks. Wanna go here and go down? Yeah. Not sure if it grabs right. Oh, if it's pointing up. Like that. This is just regular walking. Look at that, Mark Jacobs quotes. They moved over here. I like how they got cool t-shirts. Lacoste. Still see. You ever drank there, Ed? Yeah. Just over here and you go down. And we should do it. We should buy our food and then go eat at the beach. Just look at the ocean. Go down that way. Take this way. Palm Cafe. I think I need to get the chest mount for this GoPro. Want to check the pizza? They have some good pizza over here. Alright, we'll go down to ABC store. Get us a hot dog. I've never eaten there. What's more expensive, that place or Roy's? This place, Avenue Lobster or Roy's? What else steakhouses do they have? Ruby Tuesday? That's a steakhouse? Longhorn. Oh yeah, Longhorn. There you go. Fire station. Oh, Lone Star. Lone Star. Yeah, sorry, Lone Star.
And you got Outback. Outback's expensive.
Is it worth it? Look at the ground here.
Not really.
Corroding. You ever notice this? The seal? The Guam seal. Oh, okay. You've noticed, right? All of the speakers here now have they have even the LED light in some of them.
Wonder those are waterproof or what, dude?
They stop vloggers. Alright, ABC store. Pretty sure this is a long walk. Yeah, look at this. Get some hot dogs. Thank you, Ed. Whew. Monster. Ooh. Get some Monster. I have a aloe vera in the fridge, but just keep a Monster. Whoa. What? This one has cancer, reproductive harm? No way. Coconut juice? Look at cancer and reproductive harm.
Well,
What the fuck's that? That's crazy.
well, I thought that's
It's coconut water, coconut juice. It's healthy?
Coconut juice? Yeah, I thought that's
I guess not.
why they put the warning?
Gives you cancer and reproductive harm, so your balls. We'll try.
Okay.
Alright. And I also have ketchup and mustard.
Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise.
Shoot. I'll just take mustard and ketchup.
That'll be $5.58.
Thank you. Damn. Thank you.
For free gift.
Hey, so I've been saving these receipts. What did I get?
You can bring it into any ABC store. $100 total. It's our
Calendar?
mug cup, the calendar, and we have our reusable bag.
Okay, thank you. I think I'm almost there. I think we already have 100, but
Yeah, don't forget to bring it in.
I'll remember to bring it.
When did she rent ours there? Customers are asking. When did you rent?
12 to
7. Yeah. How much is for the calendar? For like this? So if I just have to save up like a
100?
That's 100 for
the calendar?
the calendar, the bag, or
Oh, it's a set.
but if you want to buy it yourself.
No, because we're saving these so we can put that calendar in our house. Thank you very much. There you go, Ed. I think we have enough to buy a nudie calendar for our warehouse. Let me run real fast. That's on the necklace, okay? And I think that's good for this test. Let's go end this. Bye.